Today, I want to show you the easiest way top producing LOs are keeping track of what partners they've talked to during the month. So Devin has done lots of interviews with top producing loan officers, and there was this one that mentioned this particular process that he had that was helping him keep track of who he's identified inside of his realtor partners, who he's attempted to contact, and who he's actually contacted during the month. And so today I want to show you that process, what automation we've set up on the back end, and so you can even set it up for yourself on the back end, even if you don't work with us. But without further ado, let's just dive right into it. Okay, so first things first, we're at the pipeline because I want to show you how to actually operate. So we have a pipeline that we've built called Current Realtor Partners. We have a couple other pipelines in here for loan officers, but we have Current Realtor Partners. And how we did that is we went to pipelines and we hit create pipeline and we named all the stages and named the pipeline. So it's really, really simple. But inside of this Current Realtor Partners, you have three stages. The first one is identified. The second one is attempted to contact. And the third one is contacted. And so identified means anybody that you have as a realtor partner. Doesn't matter, how much you contact them. If you contact them at all, it's a realtor partner that you've met with that is either giving you business or however you want to interpret current realtor partners. And so this is in identified. It's really, really simple how this works. And so with identified, each month you're going to go through and say, okay, did I talk to Test, for example, or did I talk to Devin? And so let's say you attempted to contact Devin, but they didn't answer, but Devin didn't answer. And so you would put them in the attempted to contact stage. If you attempted to contact Test and they answered the phone or you went out to lunch with them, you can put them in the contacted stage. And what's special about this is we actually have an automation going on in the background where every single month this all resets. And so if you have 100 different realtor partners in your identified, let's just say 20 realtor partners in your identified stage, and you attempted to contact 15 and you actually got in contact with 5 at the first of the next month. So let's just say it's February this month, right? At the very first of the month, it puts everybody back into this identified stage. We're going to do another monthly check-in. Essentially what we want to do is check in with our realtor partners every month. That's the secret sauce that these top producing loan officers are doing. And so the contacted stage could mean anything to you. It could be a phone call, could be a text, could be going out to lunch, could be going out to dinner, whatever that looks like. But at the end of the day, at the first of the month, it goes back to identified. And I want to show you how we've built out that automation. So what you'll need to do first is actually go to the contact, and I'll show you what we're doing so we can go through an example of what this looks like. So I'll put myself in there, and I'm going to hit trigger automation right here and realtor partner pipeline. You don't have to make it, the exact action name. It doesn't really matter. What matters is the workflow. And so we'll add it to the workflow, current real estate agent partners monthly check-in. I'm going to send it all at once and add to automation. Now what that does is it takes me to an automation that I just showed you, and I'll show you that in just 2 seconds. But right here in your contacts, in a previous video we showed you how to create a smart list of your real estate agents. And so if your real estate agents aren't already in your current realtor partners pipeline, what we can do is we can either select them all and trigger that automation to put them through that automation that I just sent myself down, or you can individually select them in that smart list, or you can go to all your contacts and sift through them there. But for the sake of ease, I would recommend going to your smart list if you've already created a smart list. But that's outside of the scope of this video. We do have another video on how to do that. But let's go to the automation and see what it did. It automatically created the opportunity for me. So it put me in the pipeline of current realtor partners, like I showed you, and inside the pipeline stage identified. It added an owner to the opportunity, so Devin is likely assigned to me. And then it updated the opportunity again into the pipeline stage, and I'll explain why we do that twice. The reason why we do that twice is because once I'm created as an opportunity, I'll then get so this would be on Devin's side actually. Devin would get a manual call action. So it just pops up in his manual tasks where he can go to me and call me and attempt to contact me. And then we have this wait step. Again, this automation is really simple. Wait until the current day of the month is 1. So that's just the first of the month is what that means. And so wait until the new month. And then it has this go-to step that goes to this update opportunity step where it puts me back into the pipeline stage identified. And so it's this constant loop of each month, I'm going to attempt to contact all my realtor partners, make sure I'm checking in monthly. And then at the end of the month or at the beginning of the next month, it'll put me back into, if I'm the realtor partner, it'll put that realtor partner back into the identified stage so you can start reworking those realtor partners and just making sure you're checking in monthly with them. And so our goal here is to not make it too complicated. We just want to have it be 3 stages of identified, attempted to contact, and contacted. And again, that's what top producing loan officers are doing to stay in business, but also to thrive in business. So that is how you keep track of what partners you've talked to during the month. So it's really helpful. It's really simple. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.